Hey guys, tuturo ko naman guys yung You're Beautiful by James Blunt. Ayan. So, ayan, kailangan natin ng capo, capo or capo dito sa 8th fret niya guys. Ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. So, ayan tayong capo dyan. So, yung chords niya ay G, tapos B/F sharp, E minor 7, C at 9. Ayan. Bali, 4 na chords. So, magandahan dito guys. Hindi na natin to tatanggalin. Ayan. Ito na lang yung ililipat na. So, madali lang siya. Okay. Sa strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 C at 9. Yan, yun yung strumming pattern. Basic lang guys. Ganito. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel. Of that I'm sure. He smiled me years away. She would with another man. Cause I've got a plan. Okay, so pagdating dito sa last part, C at 9, dalawang down, tapos up, down, down, pagdating sa D/F sharp. So, cause I've got a plan. Okay, so yan. So pagdating sa chorus, same chords pa rin guys. C at 9. You're beautiful. And so down, down, tapos dito guys, I saw your face in a crowded place. In a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Guys, yan lang yung basic ano na guys ng You're Beautiful. Okay guys, thank you guys.